Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making some stuffed chicken breast. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, is I'm going to take my chicken breast and I'm going to cut into it, and it's going to look like that. It's going to get a little pocket. Do you see? And in that little pocket, I'm going to stuff my, I have some broccoli, I have some carrots, I have some dill, and I have some mozzarella cheese. So let me get the other ones cut, and I'll be right back with you. All right, let me show you how I cut these. I take the fatty side here, and I take my knife. I'm not left-handed, so I take my knife and I just stick it into the fatty side, and I just run it in there along that. There, nice and easy. And that creates a nice little pocket. I want to make that just a little bit bigger. Yeah, gonna cut through that. We have a nice little pocket right there. I'll get this other one. Again, through the fatty side of the breast. We're just going to make a little cut. And we get a pocket. And then we're going to go ahead and stuff them. All right? Let me wash my hands. Okay, so this gets a little tricky, but have no fear. It doesn't, you know, it's going to get a little bit messy, but, you know, it's really good. So I'm going to first start with a little bit of cheese in each pocket. You might want to set them up like this to make them a little bit easier for stuffing. I'm going to add a couple slices of carrots in each pocket. Get them stuffed in there. Nice and tight. And I've got some broccoli, chopped broccoli I'm going to stuff in there. Get that all the way in there. Oops. Oh, I can go there. Now I'm going to take a couple sprigs of dill. Yes, I said dill. I'm going to take a couple sprigs of dill and I'm going to get those stuffed in there. Dill is actually really good for you. It actually helps to lower your cholesterol. So anytime you get a chance to cook with dill, I'd say go for it, do it. Because it's good for you, it tastes good. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit more cheese to top it off. Okay, I have my cream of chicken soup here, and I'm just going to layer it down the bottom of the pan. Here, if you can see that, I'm just going to layer it at the bottom of the pan. Spread it out a little bit. And then I'm going to place my, I thought I had some toothpicks up there. I don't have any then I'm going to place my chicken breast into my pan, just like so. I think it needs a little bit more salt and pepper. Just a little bit. And I want to give it, now that it's plated, I want to give it a little bit more cheese. There you go. That's it. We're going to cook this in the oven at 375. I want to put a little bit of foil over the top of it. I don't want it to get too tight. I don't want to get that cheese on the top of the foil. So just loosely cover. Loosely cover the foil over the chicken. Loosely cover it, okay? We don't want the cheese on the foil. Make a nice little tent. Just like that. Alrighty, I'll see you when it's done. There you go. Fresh, hot, out of the oven. Stuffed chicken breast. Well, let's just give this a try, shall we? It's a little hot. I have some rice here that I cooked up. So I'm going to go ahead and put some rice on my plate. And I'm going to take a chicken breast. And put that on my plate. put a little broth over the top of it. That's why I put that chicken, cream of chicken soup in there. Put a little broth right over the top of it. A little broth on these. There we go. Let's give this a taste. I bet you it's yummy. Here we go. It's really hot. That's good. Oh, that's delicious. That's really delicious. Really, really good. Stuffed chicken breast. Okay, guys, we're going to finish our dinner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.